Tools and equipment for installation: chisel, screwdriver, hammer, ruler, tape measure, ruler square, hole saw 20 mm, hole saw 40 mm, hole saw 54 mm, drill bit 1/8" hole saw 25 mm, drill bit 13 mm, mortise router, circlip pliers, electric drill, grinding machine. Step 1. Door measure and assessment. Measure 1 meter from the bottom of the door and mark the line. Use the hole center of the lock case to mark the line for 4 positions. Connect the 4 positions line on the edge of the door. Use the template to mark for drilling the hole for 6 positions on both sides. Step 2. Drilling the guiding hole. Drill the guiding hole to the 6 positions marked on both sides using drill bit 1/8". Step 3. Cut the line to guide the mortise drilling. Step 4. Routing the mortise in a door. Install the mortise router. Use the lock case to measure the depth of lock case body. Drill the mortise hole. Step 5. Drill the hole on the door. Hole saw 20 mm. Hole saw 54 mm. Step 6. Install the lock case and key cylinder. Insert the lock case and mark the drilling. Use drill bit 1/8" to drill the guiding hole. Insert the screw for the lock case. Insert the key cylinder. Aim the hole of lock case and cylinder and insert the screw. Test the key operation. Step 7. Install the digital door lock into the door. Install the accessory for screw. Install the back plate. Install the spindle for deadbolt. Connect the wire blue-blue, white-white. Put the wire into the hole. Test the operation. Insert 5 screw. Step 8. Drill the door frame. Use the strike plate for measure and marking. Drill the strike plate hole using hole saw 25 millimeters. Cut the line on the side. Groove to make the hole. Mark the screw hole for strike plate. Drill the screw hole using drill bit 1/8 inch. Install the strike plate. Test the overall operation of digital door lock.